Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to post images from Airtable to LinkedIn account automatically. So the idea here is that whenever you create a new record in Airtable account, automatically the same record should be shared on LinkedIn account also. But question here is how to do it, just because there is no direct connection between Airtable and LinkedIn. So to establish a connection or an integration between Airtable and LinkedIn, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Airtable with LinkedIn automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. Here we are using two software applications. The first one is Airtable, which is a spreadsheet tool with database functionalities, and LinkedIn, as we all know, it is a social media platform. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my Airtable account and this is my LinkedIn account. So now I want that whenever I create a new record over here in my Airtable account, automatically the same record should be posted here in my LinkedIn account also. So I'll just create a new record over here. I'll just click on this plus sign. I'll add a content over here. No matter where we go, we always stay together. Along with this, I'll just click on this attach file and I'll add an image over here from my system. Let us map this particular image. I'll click on open. Let's click on upload. Okay, the file is uploaded over here. Okay, I'll just close this particular window. And here we can see that a new record is added. Now let us check the LinkedIn account also. I'll refresh this particular account. And here we can find a new notification. Your post was shared successfully on LinkedIn. Let us check the post. And here we can find the post along with the content, that is the caption. No matter where we go, we always stay together. Now here you might be wondering that I just created a record in my Airtable account over here and automatically the same record is posted here in my LinkedIn account also. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you. First, I have created a connection between my Airtable account and Pabbly Connect. After that, Pabbly Connect has captured all the record details and the same record details were sent to the LinkedIn account to create a post over here. So in this way, we are going to learn how to create an integration between Airtable and LinkedIn using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So I have given the name as post images from Airtable to LinkedIn account. And here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here you can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a new record is added in Airtable account, automatically the same record or the same image should be posted onto the LinkedIn account also. So here in the trigger window, let us select the application name as Airtable. In the trigger event, let us select new record. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the token. So we have to go to Airtable account. I have already logged into my Airtable account. Here we are going to come on account and click on account. Just scroll down and here we can find the key, that is the API key. Simply copy this key from here, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the key over here. And click on save. And now Airtable is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here it is asking for the base, table and trigger field. So we have to create all these in our Airtable account. So I'll just take you to my Airtable account once again. Here we are going to create a new base. So for creating a new base, simply Click on this plus sign and click on add a base. Okay, I'll just close this particular window. Here we can give a name to this particular base. So I'm giving the base name as LinkedIn and I'll just press and enter. So here we can see the base name is saved. Now here we can see table 1. So we are going to rename this particular table. I'll just click on rename table and I'll just give the table name as post to LinkedIn. Okay, and here I can see the table name is saved. Now here we can see some fields are activated. So here I'm just going to delete this field and I have deleted some more fields over here. I want this field name as content, so I'm just going to rename this field and let us give the field name as content. I want the second field to be image, so I'll just click on this plus sign. I'll give the field name as image and in the field type I'll just select it as attachment. Click on create field and in the third one I'll just click on this plus sign once again. Here I'll be adding the field name as created and in the field type let us select created time. Let us click on create field. Now here we can see all the 3 fields are ready. Here our base is ready and along with that we have given the name to the table. So let us select all these in Pabbly Connect first. Let us select the base name as LinkedIn. Okay, this one. So we have created just one table, so it has automatically captured post to LinkedIn. This was the table name, post to LinkedIn. And here in the third field, Pabbly Connect is asking for the trigger field. So trigger field, as we can see, the instruction is also mentioned. Create a field in your table scheme with field name created and field type created time. This we have already created. So here we have to map this particular created field only. I'll show you once again. This was the created field. It is mandatory to create. Okay, let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now before clicking on save and send test request, let us fill all the details. Let us create a post here in our Airtable account. I'll just give the content as technology is best when it brings people together. Here I'll just click on attach file and I'll just attach an image from my device. I'll select the files to upload. From my pictures, I'll just select any of the picture. Okay, let us select this one. Let's click on upload. So I have given the content as technology is best when it brings people together. Along with that, I have attached an image and I'll just close this particular window. And here we can see that we have created a new record over here. Now here, before proceeding further, I'll just erase all these extra fields. Okay, I'll make a right click and I'll just delete all the selected records. And here we can see just we have only one record in our this particular account. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us click on save and send test request. Here we can see the responses received and the details related to the record is captured over here. Here we can see that content technology is best when it brings people together. Okay, along with that we can see image ID. Here we can see image URL. Okay, and all the details are captured over here. Now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes this may take some time in fetching the data as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Now we want to send this particular record to LinkedIn account also. So come to this action window and here in the application name, let us select LinkedIn. In the action event, let us select share an article or URL. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with LinkedIn. Here it has taken us to the login window. I'll just click on sign in. Authorization successful. And now the LinkedIn account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my LinkedIn account also. Now here I have to select the author name, that is the account name. So the LinkedIn account name is Ashi Rai. I'll show you. So this is my account name. I have already selected the account name over here, that is Ashi. Now here we have to select the content. So we have already got the record details here. So we are going to map these details now. So in the content, I want to map the content. This was the field content. So let us map this field content. I'll just maximize and show it to you. Okay. I'll scroll down and here I'm going to map the field content from Airtable, and this was the field content. Now article URL. So article URL will be the image URL. We have already got the image URL also from Airtable, and the image URL is this, fields image 0 URL. Let us map this. Visibility, you can select it as per your requirement. If you want to keep it as connections, you can keep it. I'll just keep it as public. And let us click on save and send test request. Here we can see the responses received. I'll just go back to my LinkedIn account. I'll refresh this particular account. And here in the notifications, let us check. We can see your post was shared successfully on LinkedIn. I'll just click on view your post. And here we can see technology is best when it brings people together. This was the caption. Along with that, we can see the image it is posted over here. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now I'm just going to minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever we create a new record on our Airtable account, automatically the same record should be shared on the LinkedIn account also. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between Airtable and LinkedIn using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.